Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an incredibly simple starter modern house. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do remember to subscribe to the channel and to click the little bell next to the subscription button. That'll ensure that you get all my videos sent directly to your sub box. Here are all of the materials that we will be needing to make our house. Please do make sure that you have access to all those materials and enough of them as well. And now that we have all of our stuff, we can get started. So step one, ladies and gentlemen, in making our house, we're going to begin by placing 3 oak wood on top of each other. 1, 2, 3. Extend to the right by 2. 1, 2. Extend down to the ground. And then take this entire side wall and extend it backwards by 4 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want to extend every single row. We then want to extend the top of that row across the build by 2, 1, 2, and then down, exactly the same as we have on the front. On the side of the build, we want to place a row of smooth quartz block that is 1 row longer on both sides like this, so it connects together like so. We then want to make the block of quartz as high as the oak planks, like this. And then on the front of the build, we want to take the overhanging quartz block, we want to take the top, place 4 quartz slabs to the right of it, specifically smooth, 1, 2, 3, 4. We then want to place 2 smooth quartz block on top, 1, 2, stick a smooth quartz slab on top of that, and then extend over to the left until it is overhanging and hovering above the starting point. We can then extend this side, the right side this time, across the back of the build until it overhangs the oak planks by 1 and also is in line with the other quartz blocks. We can then join it together in the same fashion that it is joined on the front. We want to extend the quartz slabs across the top as well. We want to extend these over and we want to join these to the front of the build as well. What we're then going to do is place glass block on top of the oak plank area. We're going to have 2 rows in total. Now this won't come up quite as high as the quartz slabs, but then we want to join it together on the side like this. So essentially we're creating kind of like a little tube. It doesn't really serve too much function other than the fact that it's just kind of like a nice, bright, clear block to have. We're going to make the inside of the build entirely block of quartz, or specifically again smooth quartz like this. Where we have the door is going to be smooth quartz, but where we have the area between the back window here, I want to have oak plank. And the reason being is because this just wants to be glass block. On the front, we want to have our door like this. On the side of the build, we're going to use smooth quartz slabs. Beginning with where we have the oak plank blocks, we want to create a row of 1, 2, 3, 4 quartz slabs underneath the quartz block. We want to extend outwards by 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and then we want to join the ends down using oak fence. So when I say the ends, the front and the back just on the corners like this. We're then going to add a row of jungle leaves, or any leaves will do really, but I like jungle leaves. Jungle leaves extending across the side of the build, poking out 1 row in front. We can then place a lantern next to the leaves and opposite it a poppy. We're going to shovel out the area just in front of the doorway. Underneath the overhang that we have created, we're going to destroy all of the grass and we are going to replace it using smooth quartz block, like this. What we are then going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I think that we can get rid of all of this stuff, I want to say, and we're going to grab a shovel, smooth quartz stairs, chest, furnace, scaffolding, bed, and painting. We're going to stick a stair in between the oak fence, scaffolding next to it. We're going to place a furnace and a chest opposite the stair and the table. I think that we are actually going to be using lanterns, so I'm going to stick a lantern on that table just to keep things nice and bright. I'm going to shovel just a single row in front of the little area that we've created, including a little 1x1 path for the front of the house. I'm going to open up the house and I'm going to stick a bed in here. I'm going to stick a chest next to the bed. I'm going to realize that I need the smooth quartz slabs. I am very forgetful. And then we are going to place a little shelf just up above this, like so. And that will allow us to place a furnace and I believe, what else can we use? We can use a crafting table, which I don't have on me, but I always like to see the combination of a furnace, crafting table, and a chest. We can have a little lantern in here and a painting, preferably if we place the painting before the lantern. No. Yes. And then we can have a painting, we can have a furnace, a crafting table, a bed, and a chest, all stuffed together in this nice little house that doesn't take very long to make. And in doing that, ladies and gentlemen, you will have a very pleasant little starter modern house. I do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please do remember to hit that like button, as it really helps me in the channel out very much. If you're new around here, please do consider subscribing and clicking the little bell next to the subscription button. That will ensure that you get all my videos sent directly to your sub box. And if you do want to make anything else by me, check out the card system, description below, and the top of the comment section for more. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.